It is New Year and people sometimes make a wish for New Year. I have 2 wishes for the New Year. My first wish is collecting all the 118 of elements. There are 4 reasons why. First, I can learn more about elements. Second, I can sell those and get money. Third, I can make new things and make another things with those. Lastly, I can see the conversion of some elements. My second reason is getting Lotto first prize. There are also 4 reasons why. First, I can get very rich. If I get rich, I can buy lots of stuff or save it in a bank. Second, I can buy whatever I want except some dangerous things. Thirdly, I can donate money to poor people. Lotto is a luck, so it is not a big deal to donate. Lastly, I can collect 180 sources of elements more easily and faster. In conclusion, I have 2 wishes for this year: collecting 180 sources of elements and getting Lotto first prize. Thank you for listening.